that everybody is doing good. We are here back with another video, and this video is about our running journey of the 1 month. Before starting this video, I want to share something about myself and whole this journey. My name is Yashwant Negi and I'm from Himachal. I love to run, but although I'm not a professional runner, I'm just amateur. A couple of the time I have participated in the marathons and the long distance running, but I was average in all those, and also I want to improve in the running. So currently we are in Nepal. We are here from the past 1.5 months. I was thinking that how can I utilize this opportunity to improve my running. So I thought to come up with this challenge of the 1 month, and to get used to the running, I will run 10 kilometers each day. And the reason behind the documenting this whole journey is that I want to track down my runnings. Along with that, it will act as our future reference, and also you want to share with you how I am doing, or any suggestion regarding the videos and all. You can drop back your feedbacks. And feedbacks are mostly welcome. So meet you at the ground from tomorrow. Hi, it's the first day and we are here at the ground to kickstart over this 1 month journey, and today we are aiming to do 10 kilometers. And first day. We have completed a 10-kilometer run, and now we will do little stretch and wrap up for today, and we'll meet you tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hello friends, it's day 2 of our run, and today we are going to the downhill, and along with that it's 1st January, and from my side, Happy New Year to everyone, and this year would be the best for you. Although till the video comes it's become too late, but it's okay. And today we are going to the downhill, and today the view and energy here is very nice, and it's sun rising from the opposite side of the hill, and we are running here. We are here at a small river bank. We started from the top of the hill and reach here. It took around 1 hour to reach us. From my perspective, it might be 15 kilometer, around 15 kilometer. And now we are heading back towards the top from where we started. And this was the day 2 of the run. Good morning friends, it's day 3 and we are back to run in this ground. Today we have completed around 10 kilometer in 45 minutes, and it was a quite good run, and we have run in this same ground of day 1, and that's how we finished our day 3, and see you at day 4. Hello friends, it's our day 4 and we are here again to run. This time also we are doing downhill. We are done for the day 4 and we did around 11.5 kilometer. In this 3 to 4 kilometer was uphill and rest all are downhills. And meet you tomorrow. Good morning friends, it's day 5 and we are back here in the ground for our run. And it's too cold here and we have just warmed up and now we are going to run. and it's 6 o'clock and we are starting our run. See. Guys, it's day 5 and today we did around 10 kilometers in the 54 minutes, and while running I got a few friends who run along me and here are they. कस्तो लाग्यो दौड्ने को? राम्रो ओता बोल्नु राम्रो लाग्यो? राम्रो फेरि भी दौड्नुस् फेरि ओ भोलि पर्सि भी दौड्नुस् ओता बोल्नुस् कि कस्तो लाग्यो? राम्रो. Hello friends, it's our day 6. Today we got little late and now we are starting running, and it's around 7:12 at the morning and we are starting our run, and along me with here is a few little champs and little buddies. Hello friends, today we are here with Sunil and I run a Red Panda marathon together, and today after 20 days we are back again in the ground and we meet. Sunil, how you like to run?
I am very happy to run with you.
Oh, today we are running and yeah.
We are friends, good friends.
Now today's run is accompanied by Sunil and now we are running. Hi friends, it's our 7th day of the running and we are here at the same ground, and time right now is 6:09 and it's a 6th January and we are about to run in a few minutes, and this is the 7th day. The run for the day is complete and we did around 10 kilometers in 46 minutes, and it was quite good pace for me, and yeah, meet you tomorrow. Hello friends, it's been 7 days and my body condition right now is like this. It's day 8 and we are running here in this off-road trails. Hello friends, it's our 9th day and we are back here again to continue with our running series, and yeah, a little bit stretching before running and good to go. Run for today is done and we covered around 12 kilometers in 1 hour and 4 minutes. We started at 6:33 and now time is around 7:38 and I am done with the run. Today Sunil come a bit late, so he is running here, and yeah, done for today. Hello friends, it's our day 10th and 9th January and today we are running across this small pond. Yeah, you can see in behind, and running here is very nice. Nobody is there and we are alone in this quiet environment and enjoying. Hi, it's day 11 and today we are running in this off-road. Till now we have done around 3 kilometers and still 7 more to go.
Oh.
Hi friends, it's the 12th day of our running series and today again we are back here for run, and it's Sunday, and yeah. Hello friends, we are done with today's run. Today we did 10 kilometers and we did it around in 1 hour. Also, I want to share you that from the past few days, it's felt hard to wake up and come to the run. Although it's 13th day, and still our challenges are there. And initial few days was difficult, but on the midway it was good. And now again it seems like running a bit hard, but yeah, we are sticking into it. But the average pace is a bit low, but we are on the game. It's over day 14th and we have just completed our run. It was around 54 minutes or something, and yeah, run was pretty good. Hello friends, it's our 15th day and it's 14th January and we are here again at ground and to do run, and so far it's going good and we have made till the half of this month, and yeah, and just hi friends, it's day 16 and we are here at the ground. Today we came a bit early because we have to go to some other place later, so we are here to run and it's around 5:50 and still it's dark. We have done around 6 kilometers and 4 more to go for today. The run for today is done. We did around 10 kilometers in 54 minutes and it was decent, not that good. Yeah, done for today and meet you tomorrow at another place. Hello friends, today we are at Kalimpong district of West Bengal, and yeah, and we are running here. We are coming here for the first time, and so this run is a bit easy, and along with that we are exploring the places. And yeah, right now we are at sunrises and we have completed about 4 kilometers and yet 6 more to go. We are here in a small ground in the Panbo town of the Kalimpong district of West Bengal. So it's around 7:30 p.m. Unfortunately, we are unable to run in the morning due to work. So we are completing our daily target at night, and we are currently running. And we done around 6 kilometers and 4 more to go. Run for today is mostly done. And today we ran in this small ground and we did around 10 kilometers in 1 hour and 5 minutes, and now the time is about 8 p.m. and we are heading back towards our room, and see you tomorrow. That's all about today. Hi, it's the day 19th and we are here at Kalimpong, and today we are going for a run. Yeah, although we are in other place, so it's become a little hard to go for the run and manage time as we are a lot of occupied in the other thing. And yeah, today we are here and we are going for it. On 19th day and we are running across these hills and it's nice. Until now we had completed 8 to 9 kilometers and now 1 more to go. We are done for the day 19 and we run across these beautiful hills of Kalimpong. Particularly we are in the remote location of the Kalimpong, so from here the network connectivity is not that good, but still we are here to run. And yeah, today is the day 20th and we are here at Kalimpong. Today we are running in this small trails and it is very beautiful, and it's our last day here and we are doing it little easy. Yeah, today's target to come. run for today is done, and we did 10 kilometers around 1 hour, and we are going ahead. It's day 21 and we are back here to run. Early morning we are unable to run today also because we are traveling from Kalimpong to Nepal. So we are running right now, and yeah, we will do the run. Time is around 6:30 and we are running. Here is already dark, and yeah. Hello friends, it's over day 22 and we are here at the forest completing our today's target, and yeah, it seems pretty good. This run is a bit slow. We started from up there and we are coming back through this trail uphill, and so we are taking it very slow as the some part of the path is very steep. Hi, it's the 23rd day of our running and we are back here again at this small pond. Today we are a bit late. Time right now is, as we know the length of this pool, and so we are running here for the 1 hour to complete our running series. It's Aijin, and we are back again here for the run, and time is around 7 o'clock and it's little cold here, and we are here for run. The run for today is done, and today we did 10 kilometers in 45 minutes and some seconds, and it was one of the good run, and yeah, pace is pretty good. So done for today, and through this whole 1 month journey, this was the one of the best. Yeah, in the couple of the time I also run 46 minutes, but it is also the good one, and yeah, maybe in future we can increase the pace. For the time now, it's good. Hello friends, it's our day 25th and we are running in this forest near small pond. So till now we have done around 20 minutes run, and now still we are doing further. Yeah. Hello friends, it's the 26th day of our run and we are back here again in this ground for our run. And from few days the early morning is very cold. Yeah, so right now we are here and we will do our run. Hi, it's 26th January and our 27th day of run. So unfortunately we are unable to come early this morning, so we are completing our target at evening, and time right now is around 6:30 and around that. So we're gonna run here for over 10 kilometers, and yeah, that's all about today, and wish you a happy Republic Day, 28th day, and we are back again in this ground for our today's run. It's a bit cold, and after a few minutes we will start our run, and before that little stretches. Hi, today's run is mostly done and we did 11 kilometers in 53 minutes, and yeah, it was also quite a good run, and that's how we finish our 28th day. 2 more days to go. Hello friends, so it's our 29th day and we are back here for the run, and the time right now is around 7:30 and we will start our run in few minutes after warm up. So we are done with our run and we did 10 kilometers in 44 minutes. It was the one of the best of the whole month, and yeah, I enjoyed it today's run. Yeah, bit tough, but yeah, like it. Hi, so it's the 30th day of the our run.
We have covered this long journey running 10 kilometers each day. In between we have faced a lot of struggles also. For me sometimes in this peak cold, waking up early, it was very challenging. The first things comes to the mind when we want to start a run or stepping out of the bed due to the cold. Yeah, but few times we missed it, but most of the time we try to wake up and step out of the bed to do this run, and we will still continue doing it further also. But for the time being it was great, and I can say that it was one of the good experiment as well as practice for long run journey. Yeah. And we have finished this run. It took around for 58 to 1 hour, and we completed somewhat 10 to 11 kilometers, and we managed to come this far, and we have learned many things throughout whole journey, and still want to learn more about this running and get used to it. Yeah, for the now it was very good, and I hope that you will like this video. Bye, and see you with another video in some other beautiful content.